Hey guys, Sarah here at JDS, and I'm excited to announce an addition to our Rackstar offerings. Currently, JDS offers a Rackstar rail system and fixtures for your laser production needs. Now we have a UV rail system featuring low profile corner brackets, 6 interchangeable rails with rounded pins, and 2 frame sizes. You can use this rail system with current Rackstar fixtures which support a multitude of JDS items including drinkware. This is going to eliminate your template printing time and increase your output and maximum production. Do take note that the rails you may currently be using in your laser system are different compared to the printing ones as they are a rounded top and not pointed. When you first receive your frame, you'll have to put it together similar to a picture frame, with the low profile corner brackets simply snapping into pre-drilled holes. Once that is together, you'll take the 4 cyclomat squares and peel and stick to each foot. Then peel each for placing it onto your bed. These will help hold your frame in place without the need of drills or permanent fixtures to your print bed. Now that my frame is together, I'm going to place it on the bottom left corner of my bed, lining it up by my 0, 0. As you can see on my bed, it has it marked with engraved lines. The physical setup is going to match my digital template file. For this example, I'm using the 24x18 UV system, so I have my artboard set at 25x19. I'm then going to download the template for my fixture. These can be found on the JDS website. The fixture template part number can be found on each template. Here I have the RSF 160 for bottle openers. The template I downloaded will mirror the physical fixture, including the rail hole placement. On the digital template, I'm going to snap it into the corresponding pinholes. I will then take my art and simply snap it into place with my intersection feature or by centering it with the centering lines on the fixture. Once all art is snapped into place, I'm going to then select just the artwork and choose Print and Selection. Each printer's parameter may be a little different. For mine, I ensure my print size matches my artboard size and my preview shows only my artwork. Then in my RIP software, I match my print bed by rotating the print and choose my printer settings. Then, knowing the height of my frame is 1.625, I'll set my head height to that plus the thickness of the items I'm printing. Being able to easily snap and exchange the fixtures, I not only can do multiple items at once, but I can load another fixture during print time and send a new job quickly with little to no setup. If you have any questions, give us a call at the number below or visit us online. Become a Rackstar today.